We love those time lapses. This is from Ryan Floyd showing us this time lapse from earlier tonight with the rainfall. Look at that. Occasional rain off and on again on the camera. That's good. That's a gorgeous shot. Put that on our Facebook page for you to share with your friends and family. Of course, more to come as we get through the morning hours here. 81 degrees are high for the day today. You're probably thinking that's warm. Yeah, you're right. We're not supposed to be at 81 degrees. That set a record today and beat the previous record of 78 degrees. But compare that today compared to Thursday's temperature, where we're shooting for 57 degrees for the high. More than 20-degree temperature drop due to the clouds and the rain-cooled air. 56 in Summerlin right now. The lake's at 64. We're at 58 also downtown, 60 even for Sunrise Manor. A lot of neighborhoods right now, nice and cool out there. Green Valley 64, Blue Bottom indicator, not so much for you. This is where we actually had the rainfall, so numbers have dropped rapidly. Henderson right now in those mid-50s. 61 in Pahrump, 57 Boulder City, 59 for Laughlin. Sandy Valley currently at 59 as well. Death Valley still at 74 degrees. You still remain dry out there in Inyo County. Most of the moisture has been Las Vegas, eastward and southward. There's a look at the low spinning off the coast, pulling up that moisture as we close in on California. They're actually getting Southern California, just east of San Diego, getting some lightning strikes. The bulk of that moisture moving its way upwards. Look at all this coming down right around the spine of the Colorado River. If we could just take this blob of rain right here and just put it over the Las Vegas Valley, we for sure would get some beneficial rain. But we're just on the cusp of that. But don't worry, as we look at our future casts, some of this will make its way a little bit more westward. You can see the colors here changing over the Las Vegas Valley, where we'll get some more intense rain rates overnight. Early morning hours, some rain also for your morning commute, occasional rain midday, maybe some thunder activity as well, and then also a chance for that afternoon commute there too. And Thursday, another round of showers are possible. The best chances overnight and tomorrow, with it slowly winding down on Thursday. Overnight, 54 degrees our overnight low. Rain, of course, is likely. Some thunderstorms not out of the question, along with some gusty winds at times. Your high tomorrow, only 59 degrees. Occasional rain for your day for tomorrow. Chance of thunderstorms, again, still a possibility as we have some of that warming during the day. Wind speeds a little breezy at times, too. Just a gray day expected for tomorrow. Not much sunshine. In fact, hour by hour shows that occasional rain through the day. We don't even bust out of the 50s for tomorrow. 54 in the morning. Possibly high 50s, maybe not even reaching 59 degrees in the afternoon. Like we said, occasional rain, isolated thunderstorms still a possibility, but mainly east of Las Vegas. Here's how it looks on the mountain. Hey, a lot of snow up there, 39 degrees, snow and wind, snow level up to 6,000 feet. We could see anywhere from 1 to 2 feet of snow when it's over and done with by Friday. Good to see that. We need it. Our first significant snowfall this season. 62 for the lake, rain and thunderstorms. This is our best chance for activity for tomorrow as far as thunderstorms go. Gusty at times too. Laughlin, you'll have a high of 63 degrees. Here's your extended forecast now, okay? So chances still around for Thursday. Friday now looking drier, mostly sunny, and that means we warm up with more sunshine. Your weekend, look at that, sunny and dry, temperatures in the low 60s, not too warm, and then we'll be right around the low 60s to high 50s with more wind early on in the week. We're still eyeing Thanksgiving. It looks like we could be below average right now. Too early to tell how that's going to look, but good to see some of the rainfall. If we could just give some of it to California, that would be nice.
Right. We don't want to be too selfish.
I was just going to say,
yeah.
We could use it too.
We'll take it.
Yeah, that's true.
Thanks so much.